Alright, today I'm going to show you how to speedrun breaking the tower over there. What you want to do is you want to grab a plank of wood, or a box. Once you do that, you want to place down a plank, you want to grab the box, and you want to just do a power fly over to there. Just land right on top of it if you want. Bam, right through the roof. And I should blast it. Now that you're inside, you want to go down here to the bottom and go right through the door because it's, yeah. Now what you want to do is you want to blow up these canisters. Once you've made it through these canisters, you want to grab one of these. What you want to do is you want to set it down nice and carefully and put a plank on it. Now what you've essentially created is a floating bomb, and you want to just go right into the tower with it. You want to grab this, ram this boat. You want to get on top of. I didn't do anything either. Come on. Okay, so what you want to do now is you realize that there's a box over here, so you just want to grab the box. Put down a plank on it. Doesn't matter where. Just step on said box, grab it, and just get going. What you want to do is you want to go over here and blast it. Grab the shelf, because you need the shelf more than the bombs. Just kidding, you need this canister inside there. Now once you've done that, you need to grab onto the canister with the plank, and you've essentially created a bomb. You essentially created a floating bomb. It appears that this one is attached to the floor. That's alright, so let's get going here. Right into the building. If that didn't break it, then you want to grab your boat here and also set it into turbo overdrive. The tower should fall right into the ocean. So it appears it did not fall right into the ocean as planned, so I'm gonna need to outside the map, it appears. Oh, okay. So yeah, just grab a box here, place a plank on top of it. Doesn't matter where it's at, and then just get into the thing and then start flying. See where you blasted the roof of it. It appears that it's ran into this boat, so that's a good thing. Knock down this because you don't want it anymore. Uh-oh, spaghetti-o. Uh-oh, spaghetti-o.